guys, so this is going to be my space where I'm going to be shooting most of the videos here. I'm so happy and so grateful that I finally got a dedicated space where I can sit down peacefully, spend some time with myself and also shoot the videos, and I'm so happy. This is a space that I'm still working on. I want to just add a little bit of decor and then I'm definitely going to give you a tour of this place. But before that, I did shoot 2 videos here, but somehow I don't know what happened that halfway through the video I started hearing some kind of disturbance in the video, and then we figured out that it was the AC which was giving us a problem. So what happened is the whole video was absolutely fine, but halfway through videos के अंदर एक अजीब सी आवाज़ आने लगी, and that was because of the window AC which was right here. So the AC was working fine, cooling बहुत अच्छी हो रही थी, but somehow थोड़ी देर के बाद एक अजीब सी आवाज़ आने लगती थी AC में, and which was obviously coming in my videos. So finally we decided to get this situation changed. Window AC आज हमारा चला गया है. That is the reason we have just covered it up with the newspaper ताकि birds अंदर नहीं आए. So yeah, that is that. But as you saw कि काम चल रहा है, and very soon the AC is going to be fixed right here. So I'm really excited about that and also very grateful. So that's AC number 1, which is fixed in my studio space. I'm really so happy, so grateful for it. And we got the second AC fixed also in the living room, and that's AC number 2. It's on right now, and I can just tell you, even on 24 it is freezing. It is bloody freezing. It's that cold. So even at 24 it is bloody freezing here. So now the plan is that this hand got no nail paint and this hand has got some nail paint going on. I think I was in some zone and I was just trying to multitask, so I took off the polish from this hand and I completely forgot about the other hand. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to make sure that my other hand is also nail polish free and my nails breathe for a day or 2, and then I will go ahead and put some new polish. Now let's get this polish off. So earlier I used to just use a regular acetone to take my polish off, but the past couple of times I've been using a new product and I'm going to show you. So it is this nail polish remover. This is from Mazaba. It is from Nykaa. So it is this bottle and you just got to open it, and it's got a lot of sponge inside this, and आप अपना बस nail paint वाली finger इसमें डालो, just rotate it and your nail paint is going to be off. मैंने इसे कई बारी use किया है the previous few times. You put your finger in and your nail polish will be off. I am so impressed with this product. However, this is not a new product. ऐसा एक प्रोडक्ट कलबा ने भी निकाला था कुछ साल पहले, but I never really used that, and this is so good. तो देखा आपने, in less than 1 minute, I would say in about 20 to 30 seconds, my fingers have all the nail polish off. And it's got a nice fragrance. इसकी जो fragrance है ज़्यादा strong भी नहीं है, so it's really nice. If you are looking out for a nail polish remover, this is something that I will definitely recommend, highly recommend. In fact, it's really a very good product. अब I'm just going to go ahead, wash my face, सारा grocery अपनी जगह पे रख दूंगी. I've had too much of that ice cream. I think I ended up having 3 bowls of the ice cream. I think I must be just really having some day. I will just go and cleanse my face, and then today, instead of doing aimless scrolling on the phone, I have a book that I've been wanting to read. I was gifted this book and I'm going to start reading it today. I'm going to show you that book. Looks like it is still not time to call it a day. जैसे ही मैं अपना face wash करने गई, I realized कि सुबह से I had to click a few pictures for my Instagram. There are some makeup products with me which are lying with me for over a year और मैंने उन्हें use भी नहीं किया because I thought जब तक वो नए हैं let me click a picture. और वैसे भी ये सब पैंडेमिक के चक्कर में सारी चीज़ें ऐसी की ऐसी ही रह गई थी. तो now that I'm picking up my game, I thought let me just get into the groove. So I had some pictures to click. I'm going to show you the products. So these are the products that I had got from the Wet n Wild. It was from their Rebel Rose collection and these are limited edition. के पास I think 3 या 4 eyeshadow palettes थे, but at that point of time I just picked up one. This is the primer water. The eyeshadow I'm super excited about and I just thought कि पहले मैं इनका अच्छे से flatly pictures click कर लूँ and then maybe show it in a haul and probably do a makeup tutorial. So now I have to get some pictures clicked. उसके बाद I'm going to clean my face and do some nighttime skincare regime, and after that I'm going to be reading that book that I told you. So now going to get the pictures clicked. So the face is feeling nice and cleansed, and now I will go ahead and use my favorite night cream. This one is from Plum. It is from their green tea range. तो जब मुझे याद रहता है that I have to apply something on my face in the night, this is the only cream I have and this is the only one that I use. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and read this book. This book I got gifted on Rakhi. You guys know that I shared it with you all. It was in my Rakhi vlog. So this is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. So कुछ दिनों से the mind has been wandering a lot and past 2-3 days दिमाग बहुत सारी चीज़ों में उलझा हुआ था. A lot of negative thoughts were coming to my mind. So today is a good day. Instead of just aimlessly scrolling on the phone, I'm going to be spending some time reading this book and I'll definitely let you all know what I thought about this book. I'll read a few pages and then I'm just going to call it a night. And I think with that, this would be the right time for me to end this vlog right here. अगर आपने मेरा vlog यहाँ तक देखा है and if you liked this vlog, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share the video with your friends and family. Also come and say hello to me on Instagram. I'm very active there. And with that, it's time for me to say bye to you on this vlog right here. Until the next time, you know the drill. Stay extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.